Welcome to this week's Friday message. This week, we're going to highlight our PBIS program as well as bus safety. We're out here at Bishop Road at the bus garage, and I'm here with our transportation director, Toby Snow.
Good morning.
Toby's going to highlight some of the things that we're going to be doing during National Bus Safety Week.
Follow me. October 22nd through the 26th is National School Bus Safety Week. One of the things we do as a district is we practice our school bus evacuation drills in case of something happening. One of the things we do is we evacuate out at the side of the door. The door is open. Sounds a buzzer to let us know that it's open. The kids, as they come out, will sit down and slide down on their feet, and then they will move 20 feet away from the bus. Once that's completed, we will reload the bus, and we will do an evacuation drill out the front doors. And then once that's completed, then we'll do a split where we'll split the bus in half. Half will go out the front door, and half will go out the side door. The object is to be able to do it in under 50 seconds as a bus.
So, one of the questions we get is, with Route 25, can you explain to motorists what is acceptable and what the law is on a 4-lane highway?
Yeah, what it is the vehicles that are traveling in the same direction as the school bus must stop when the school bus is dropping off or picking up students. Vehicles that are traveling in the opposite direction can continue on because they aren't required by the state law since it's a 4-lane highway. When the stop sign is activated, it is done when the students are being ready to drop off or pick up. Once the sign is extended out at 90-degree angle, by state law, you're required to stop 10 feet in front of the bus. Once the stop sign goes back in and the lights disappear, then you're allowed to proceed on. So just remember, when the stop sign's out, please stop, and when the stop sign goes back in, then you may proceed on with your daily activities.
So PBIS is a program that encourages students to be kind to one another, not only to each other, but also to the teachers and people throughout their daily life.
So I'm really excited to talk about PBIS, especially for our district. When I was the principal here at Krim Elementary, we started PBIS with the elementary counselors in all the elementary schools, and Mrs. Carafa was instrumental at the middle school and getting it started at the middle school. And now this year we have the high school on board. So as a district leader, we have developed a district team now for PBIS, and we are really looking to expand our positive behavior intervention supports into the community. We all have our pride shirts that we got this year. We're wearing those every Friday so that we are creating this community-wide positive intervention program, and I'm looking forward to seeing what we're going to do in the future with this.
As you saw at the beginning of the year, we had t-shirts that all of our staff wore, and on the back it said, "Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe." And those are parts of PBIS, and we want to encourage our students to continue to do those things, to be good citizens, to make good choices, and overall just be kind to one another.
For years in our district here, we have been doing bits and pieces of things to reinforce positive behavior with our students. And over the last few years, we've really put all of those things together to be PBIS and Bobcat proud throughout our district.
Each month we recognize students in each class for being Bobcat proud, and they are seen doing the expectations that we have set around the building, and so their teachers choose them, and then they are displayed publicly on our bulletin board and sometimes on social media. The kids really like it and they're really proud of it.
One of the ways that we use PBIS here at Conneaut Elementary is rewarding students when they show our different expectations that are posted all throughout the building in different areas. And all the adults in the building are made aware of the expectations, and when they catch a student who are exhibiting those expectations, they're awarded a sticker. Students get really excited when they get the stickers, and they put them on, take them home, and their parents get really excited, and it's just a neat way to show students that we appreciate what they're doing here at Conneaut.
Evan, I'm going to give you a Bobcat Pride sticker today. Yes, you did a great job. Here you go.
At the middle school, we are respectful, we are responsible, we are safe. How do we do that? Through our Bobcat PAWS program. PAWS stands for positive, accountable, works hard, and socially responsible. Middle school kids that demonstrate those characteristics and go above and beyond can earn points to our school store. Every Thursday in the morning, students can come in and receive prizes from our school store. You see some of the prizes behind us, and they can save for big ticket prizes. We have candy, we have books, we have pizza parties, you name it. It's a big hit with our middle school kids. We try to promote a positive culture at Bowling Green Middle School.
This year we've started PBIS at the high school, and so we want to recognize those students. So we're here with 2 of our 3 recipients of the PBIS award. We have Aurora Kazmaier and Willow Weimer. Ann Weaver was not in school this morning at time of taping, so we want to congratulate her. What does it mean to be the first recipients at the high school of the PBIS award?
Well, it means that you did good in school and that you are exemplifying, or you're exemplifying like these certain rules or guidelines that you should follow. So like, be respectful, be responsible, be safe, and your teachers think that you're good.
It's the same thing. It's just really nice to be recognized for something good, so we can all work up and be better.
Yeah. So when you get called to the office, it's not always a bad thing, right?
Right.
Today it was a good thing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.
And as a driver, I've noticed that it encourages the students to follow the rules, say like crossing the street. When they follow the rules, I've had the opportunity to give a group of students Bobcat Pride stickers because they followed the rules safely, and they now continue to do the activities safely.
On Wednesday night, the 24th, we're going to have an open house here at the bus garage out on Bishop Road from 5 to 6:30. You'll be able to come in here and check out what it looks like underneath the bus. We'll have some displays up and some rules and some laws that the parents can look at. And there'll be a few drivers out here, so you get the opportunity to kind of meet and greet the drivers.
So Toby, on Wednesday, would I be able to drive a bus?
And as always, Bobcat proud.